Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Vikas Chandra Pedridla, and let's do your reading for the month of April 2021 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs for the sign of Aquarius. And you can find your timestamps below in the description as well, including the meanings of the spread, gold and non-spread, and the types in the gold and non-spread. Now we are going into your situation. The first three cards represent your situation. The top right corner will be your current path where you are intending to go. Your left top corner represent your alternate path, what you can alternately do other than your current path. In the left bottom corner will be your psychological basis, and right bottom corner will be your karma, meaning what are the lessons that universe is teaching you. So this is a cycle that I'll be repeating. Each type represent a certain meaning, and it consists of 3 cards. Hence there are 15 cards in the spread, and it is called the golden non-spread by Aleister Crowley. And also the cards I'm using is also by Aleister Crowley. It's called the Thought deck, and all the system and order is being followed by the Book of Thoth that is being suggested by Aleister Crowley himself. And now the face down of the cards are finished. We can start facing up these cards and see what we have, and I'm going to do this in order as well because I want the energies to be aligned and to be transferred in order, and that's how I would like to see it being represented. The same way how we have drawn the cards, we are facing up the cards as well. In a cycle, in a spiral. Alright guys. Alright Aquarius, now I have drawn the cards and also did the face up. Let's get into your reading. Coming with your situation, we got Prince of Swords, which is a court card. We got 10 of Discs, which is wealth, and Knight of Discs, which is a court card. Now this is quite important and quite significant, and because usually even in the previous months I think I remember there is a lot of elements of fire, water, air and earth. So you might be connecting with all the zodiacs, which is definitely not very good for any zodiac other than Leo, I believe, and Libra. But other zodiac signs, I don't think connecting with all zodiacs is definitely not good. Even here I feel like there are a lot of representation of colors and everything. It'll be too heavy for your zodiac. But in your situation we got Prince of Swords, Wealth and Knight of Discs. Now there are 2 court cards which is hemmed by the Wealth card here, 10 of Discs. So your movement is very much significant and has a big role in impacting on your wealth. Okay, whatever movement it is, your actions and movement definitely has a big role in gaining wealth. And even with regards to wealth itself, it could be anything. It could be expenditure or gaining wealth. Definitely lot of emphasis on the movement and the result of that movement, which is related to wealth. I mean to say, your movement is intertwined with the wealth, and something change happens with the movement, there will be change happen with the wealth as well, and there is lot of changes. So it is not that wealth can bring change in the movement, but I can see the movement itself is really intertwined with the wealth, and wealth itself is not that strong here. Only the movement part is quite difficult, and because of that, even the wealth is um, having its decrease, and it is struggling, it's suffocating. So whenever it is hemmed, there is some suffocation. So because these two movement energies bringing some suffocation with the wealth, and it's not quite good. But this is the center of the reading coming, and this is the main scenario and main situation in the month of April is what I'm saying. And I feel like, starting with the wealth, your main priority is to look out for your expenditure, and also how much income you're making. So income and expenditure, you have to definitely keep in mind in the month of April how it is going. Even the small little things you have to keep in mind, and the overall income and outgoing you have to um, keep in mind, and that's the main thing in month of April. And also with the Prince of Swords, I can see your movement. You're not thinking much, you're just thinking about the wealth and you're going after it. But I feel like, if after going and taking action, then you'll realize you have to wait for a while and see if this is really working out. Because I feel like with the Knight of Discs, I can see realization comes later after taking some actions. And the first action what you take will be with regards to wealth and money, but after taking that action later, you'll realize that this is not something which is meant for you, or you might get some confusion, and you want to know more about it. And so it's better to gain some information about a scenario and then take action, without knowing much about it and then taking action. So I feel like you have to gain some knowledge before taking any action with regards to wealth, and that is your situation right now. Let's look into your current path, what you are intending to go along your own will, and then we'll take the alternate path what universe is suggesting. Now in the current path, you got Two of Discs, which is change, Ten of Wands, which is oppression, and Five of Cups, which is disappointment. So where you're intending to go, I feel like you're sacrificing your happiness, and you're working hard towards balancing your life right now, and that is what is your current path. You're willing to have you're willing to change your life, and you want to change your life with the change card. And this change represents balance, coming in a very balanced life, having a very balanced life, and something which you can relax and be happy, okay, and satisfied, mainly satisfaction with the Two of Pentacles. And you're willing to do that, you're willing to put some hard work into it. And with the Ten of Wands, oppression, it will strain you down, your body will hurt. It's not going to be easy to carry all the wands all at once, but you are ready to do it all at once. You're ready to take up this hard work all at once in order to have your life balanced. And you're also ready to do anything it takes to have your life balanced. That is what it means. And also with the Five of Cups, you're not much bothered about what disappointment it will bring you with regards to your physical things, and also emotionally. You're not concerned about emotional happiness or physical happiness, but you're just concerned about the materialistic happiness. So you're concerned about the earth element, which is money, pentacles, but you're not concerned about water and fire element. That is what I'm seeing. And with the air, I feel like I don't know, there is no representation of air as well here, only concerned with the money. And definitely a lot of concern with the money, because whenever you're concerned with the mind, I feel like it is about the movement. That's where I can see the mind coming in. but a lot of whenever the actions it has to be done, it is for the wealth itself. Now let's look into your alternate path. What you can alternately do that the universe is suggesting. We got the devil, which is a major arcana. We got the hanged man, which is also major arcana, and prince of discs, which is a code card. Definitely alternate path is very much better in this case compared to current path, because two major arcanas and one code card, which is a lot. Okay, so I feel like this time is very important in the month of April, and you can utilize this time very well is what I'm seeing, and that is what it makes a lot of sense. In the month of April, it's a good time to utilize this time and to change and bring into a certain alignment, and regarding your goals and achieving your goals and whatever goals you have, it's the best time. And the alternate path can help you with this rather than your current path, because your current path can bring whatever you're doing right now, it can bring a lot of disappointment, but you're still not worried about it, which is definitely not good in a vibrational level. And even your soul, you feel like it could be happy, but at the end of the day it could turn out in a different way. And after achieving the happiness, you will see things in a different perspective, and you will figure out that it is definitely something which is opposite, and I've never noticed it. So this kind of realization can bring a lot of disappointment as well. And you'll notice the things, especially the opportunity. You'll know if you're going in your current path, I feel like you'll be disappointed that you have not utilized the opportunity, and this could definitely bring a lot of sadness as well. So with the current path, you can see with the devil card, hanged man, and the princess of discs. Starting with the devil, I can see focus on the things which is making you obsessed with your actions. So I feel like you're obsessed about something, and because of this you're doing something, your actions is being overlooked. Okay, your actions are being overlooked by you because of the obsessive thing whichever you're having. So there is some kind of temptation which is bringing you to one side, which is definitely not good in the long run. You can definitely overcome it very easily because the chains are loose. You can just remove the chains, but you feel like the chains are you're tied up, but actually the chains are loose. You can just remove it, but because of the temptation and because of the lot of psychological effect, you're not noticing that. But with the hangman, definitely you have to see things in a different perspective, and you have to come out from this hanged position. You have to just get up is what I'm saying. You have to not feel like you're restricted. I feel like you feel like you're imprisoned with the hangman, and you have to just come out of that, and that comes with the realization that you are free and you can make yourself free. But definitely it'll take some hard work. It will take some pain, because you can see there are screws over here which is tied up. Definitely take some pain, but I feel like this is a very good opportunity for you to see things in a different perspective and remember very very well. And with the prince of discs also, when you come out, you can see things clearly, how it has happened and what happened, and it will be a very enlightened for you, and also you'll learn about life a lot. You'll understand life is what I'm saying, especially with the yin and yang, the balance and everything, and also with regards to money. And also you'll go back to the past a lot is what I'm saying, with regards to your goals and everything. So alternate path is very very good. Take the alternate path, and of course it depends on you how you feel about it, but this is what universe is suggesting. Let's look into your psychological basis, what you have in the background. You have the universe, which is a major arcana. We got the fool, which is also major arcana. We got nine of discs, which is gain. So I feel like you might be connecting a lot with Gemini also, and also other zodiac signs, because I can say a lot of zodiac signs you're connecting, especially with the Gemini, especially an old friend who is a Gemini maybe, and also other zodiacs which have not done the reading still, but I can see a lot of elements coming out here. And Gemini is definitely helping you, and they are definitely good in the month of April. So connecting with Gemini definitely is very good for you. but connecting with other elements other than air is definitely not good, because only Leo and Libra can connect with all elements, all zodiac signs, not everyone. But here I can see Gemini can definitely be very good since it's an air sign. Universe card suggests in the background everything that you do, whether it can be even a small action, anything in the world, any aspect of life you do, it will definitely result into your manifestation. Okay, you'll attract those things depending on your actions, and even the view of life, even what are you noticing, it is all recorded, is what I'm saying. Your boundaries and your image, and also wherever you're looking into other than your boundaries is also being observed. And you have to look into your temptation, is what I'm saying. You have to not be misguided with your temptations, because there is a lot of emphasis on Rahu and Saturn here, so it can definitely have a negative impact in your temptations. And also with the full, you have to look things in a new perspective. Okay, you have to have a new approach to life. You have to see that you're learning for the first time, and you have to learn things in the new way, not the old way. You have to definitely unlearn a lot of things, and this unlearning will definitely improve a lot. Of unlearn should happen in the month of April, and this could bring you a lot of gain when you unlearn things and get out of all the cycles. You have to end the cycle and get back to a new cycle, is what I'm saying. Only then you can gain, and that's what you're going into the current path, which is intertwined with the psychological basis. Coming in the change in current path is definitely is the same, with the universe card is the last card, and next card you got Fool, which is the first card and last card, meaning that some cycle is ending and new cycle is beginning in the background. So due to this reason, it's bringing wealth. So your current part is not that bad, but only with the disappointment card, it's making things worse. So universe is trying to say, take the alternate path. And I hope you understand the alternate path. What is the alternate path? You can check down in the timestamps below. You can click on that and watch it again if you need more information on that, and to see it once more. But with the alternate path, it's all saying that you have to free yourself, and that will take a lot of hard work, and focus on your obsessions, and it can misdirect you, is what I'm seeing. And also things are not that difficult as you think. It is definitely easy. Once you realize that, you'll notice chains are loose. Of course you're tied up with the chains, but psychologically you're thinking that you're totally tied up, but the chains are loose. And once you notice that, you can just remove the chains by yourself, and that's what makes it everything different. After that, with the Princess of Discs, the realization and the knowledge will come regarding life and money and your goals and everything. That's the alternate path. Much more significant, much more important. Lot of advantages are there in your current path, alternate path. Whereas in your current path, there is advantages, but this advantage in your current path, we can't guarantee that. It is definitely not guaranteed, but disappointment is guaranteed. But over in the alternate path, definitely there is, once you have the realization that you are free, that you can be free after doing some little sacrifice in few things. And of course it's going to be painful to have the sacrifice done, but if you could do that, definitely you can see you will improve a lot of advantages there. And that is intertwined with the psychological basis, which I've just finished right now. Let's get into your karma, which is your lessons in life. What is the universe trying to teach you? This is something which you cannot untie or change. This is meant to be, and it will be. There is no other way around. It will definitely happen. Now karma is Knight of Wands, Queen of Discs, and Satiety, which is 10 of Cups. Your karma is to definitely move wherever you're going. It's definitely moving to a better place and trying to be brave enough to jump through the hurdle. and take action, and that is your karma right now in the month of April. You have to definitely become better than your current situation wherever you are. It's going to a different place and better place, and that's what Knight of Wands means. And using the horse also, the vehicle, and also you have to use the tools is what I'm saying, and that's what will definitely help a lot. Vehicle represents tools. I feel like you have something which is guiding you and helping you, some kind of tool, and that is what will help you to move to a better place. And with the Queen of Discs also, you can see a vehicle, she's moving. There is a lot of movement, and after a while of the movement, again you have to take some break and again move. Okay, it's not a rapid movement. Don't take all the pressure all at once. It's okay. After I feel like you can segregate things and work on that, and that's the best thing you can do. And that's what I feel like, this kind of knowledge will come to you, that it's better to do a little bit, again take a break, again do a little bit, take a break, rather than doing all at once. Starting in the month of April, you might think, okay, I have a lot of energy to do it, let's finish off all at once, it's going to be good. But you'll notice that balancing is really difficult. If you take up with that, and if you take the alternate path, then definitely a lot of advantages of realization and everything. And also it is intertwined with the karma. I feel like the karma side, even though you take the alternate path or current path, you will get the karma, but the intensity of the karma varies, and that's what I'm trying to say. If you take the alternate path or current path, your karma will be manifested because it is your karma, it is meant to be, it's the destiny. But the intensity of that will definitely vary depending on your actions if you take the alternate or current path, because that's all the psychological basis will bring to the karma. And coming with the last card in your spread, which is 10 of Cups, which is satiety. Also, at the end of the month, you have to, your results, your actions should bring some kind of result. Whether it is good or bad, it should bring. If it is good, definitely it will bring a lot of goodness, a lot of good things in April. I feel like the more good things you do in the month of April, the more better it is what I'm saying with the 10 of Cups with the satiety. If you do bad things, I feel like still you will have an opportunity to recorrect that. But I feel like you're being protected by the universe, and also looked after, and also guided, because you got the universe card in your psychological basis. Definitely in the background, angels are working towards your favor in order for you to realize, and also to give opportunities to correct your mistakes. But I feel like in the month of April, the more good you do, it will definitely compound. It will be much better for you. You're not going to realize it's going to be much better, and at the end of the day, it will definitely bring a lot of happiness with the satiety. That's all I have for you, Aquarius. If you like the reading, click the like button. If you haven't subscribed, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified until anytime I upload any video. And also you can check out your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter to narrow down your perspective and get more messages and clear messages, because these are all general readings and few messages may not resonate to you because it might be for someone else. So to narrow down your perspective and focus on each part of your body, which is Sun is the soul, emotion is the mind, which is Moon, and Venus represents spouse, and in a man's chart, wife, and Jupiter represents husband. And also for male, it represents the philosophical side, and also decision making side, and also something to do with education as well. And rising sign is the ascendant, which represents yourself, your software in your body, and also few hardware, okay, like your face and everything. But usually when I am doing ascendant, it is the software part, your software body. Okay, that's all I have for you guys. Until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one. If you want to get a personal reading, you can check out my business card. I do offer services for tarot readings, astrological readings, life coaching and daily readings, and all my price ranges are mentioned respectively. You can find my social media links below as well, including my contact number. You can contact me with regards to that, and I'll reach out to you as soon as possible. Until then, I'll catch you guys the next one. Thank you guys for so much support, and thanks for watching. Thank you.